Do your kids get scared around all the spooky things that they see out this time of year? Would you like a fun, simple craft that you can do with them that's not so scary? Stick around. I'm going to show you how to make these sweet little monster puppets so that your kids can celebrate spooky season in their way. Hey! Welcome to What's She Making. I am Shira and I help beginner crafters connect to their God-given creativity. Today, I'm going to show you a craft that you can do with your littles. So yes, it's going to be a little messy, a little chaotic, but if you embrace the chaos just a little bit, you'll be rewarded with these sweet little monster puppets. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want to do is show you my inspiration video. I saw this on easypeasyandfun.com, and I like the idea that she had to make these simple puppets that open and close their mouths, but I wasn't so sure about how my little would do with those Halloween sort of characters. I decided to do my own version of that craft because maybe you deal with this too, where your kid likes the idea of dressing up and collecting candy, but not so much the idea of being scared. Does that sound familiar to anyone else? Yeah. So there are things that we do around the Halloween season in order to help my little to deal with that. First, we decorate our house. We have some like low-key door decorations that aren't scary, just a little bit spooky so that she can kind of feel like she's celebrating the season as well. There's also this thing we do when, you know, you're riding around the neighborhood in your car and someone's house is like totally decked out. So when I see a house coming up like that, I just sing a silly song and it's not complicated. I just go, oh, spooky decorations. And so it's a silly thing that my daughter looks forward to because, you know, it's not scary. It's just spooky decorations. And it helps us to get through our drive without her jumping and being upset about it. So another thing that we do is make fun little crafts like these monster puppets. So let's finally get into it. You probably already have most of this laying around if you have a little and a craft area. So I grabbed some construction paper, some glue sticks, some tape, and of course I'm gonna need some scissors because we have some cutting to do. Those are mama scissors, not the little scissors. But this is what I started with. I grabbed some googly eyes, a big fun one, as well as some pom-poms. Not really sure if she was going to use them, but I grabbed them anyway just to see what would happen. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut a big elongated oval. I'm going to grab several sheets of construction paper, and I want you to keep in mind that this does not have to be anywhere near perfect. I know the example video, she had a template, it was all straight lines and perfect, but keep in mind, this is a craft with your littles, so it's gonna be a little bit cattywampus anyway, and that's fine. Also, these are monsters. They're not supposed to be perfectly formed, perfectly shaped. We wanna leave some room for inspiration and creativity and just the fun of it. So get your construction paper all cut into elongated ovals. Now that you have those ovals, this is the fun part. So I'm kind of testing the top and bottom because we're going to fold in 3 places. We want to fold upward for the top of the face, and we want to fold the bottom end for the bottom of the face. So you see how they meet in the middle? We want to fold a little bit at the top, a little bit at the bottom, and then that middle part we're going to fold because that's where we're going to kind of make the puppet be able to open and close. So I'm just making a little midline here, and then I'm going to fold it the other way in order to give us that open and close mechanism for the mouth. See, and you can already see it kind of coming together there. The next thing I'm going to do is grab some black for the inside of the mouth, and I'm just going to cut those into some rectangles. And here is the fun bit. I've brought my little in and I'm showing her how the puppet works and all the different elements to the puppet. So she's going to choose pink because, of course, and I'm going to allow her to decorate it as she sees fit. So I have some big circles and little circles. Guys, this is how you make eyes. It's just little circles inside of big circles. So you can cut those in any way that you want. I offered her the pom-poms as well as the googly eyes, and she didn't opt to put any of those on this one, but they're just decorations. She did ask for a hair bow, so you'll see what she does with that. All right. Once she has decorated the face to her liking, this is where we add in the mouth. So I cut it down just a little bit. Again, it's not meant to be super perfect. This is a craft with little kids, but I let her go ahead and put the glue inside the mouth, and we glue down the mouth as well as a tongue. The last thing we have to do with our sweet little simple puppet is cut some strips in order to have something to hold on to and to make the mouth open and close. So I just cut down a couple of construction paper strips about the size that I need, and then I tape them on either side of the puppet. The final step is to just show her how to use it and how to put her hand inside the puppet to make the mouth open and close, which was her favorite part. She is cracking up right here. And then I let her try it. She ended up making another monster on her own because she had so much fun. These were so easy and fun, and I hope that you got some value out of this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more projects like this. And if you're looking for more Halloween crafts and kid-friendly decor, I actually have a course on the Skillshare platform that I will link below. It's teaching you how to make a trunk or treat monster, as well as some other goodies in there. So don't fret if you don't have a subscription to Skillshare. I can get you a month for free. I have the link for that below as well. So thank you so much for watching. Again, like and subscribe and check out the description box for my additional classes. See ya.